Okay, so now we're gonna finish with the CRUD functionality. We're gonna use the method delete. So in the previous video we worked with the update method, so now we're gonna go here into the delete method, and we are gonna do pretty much the same. So, well, almost. We're gonna go here inside of the curly braces, and now we need to find this variable that we want to delete, that is going to be bikes. Okay, so we are gonna await, since this is asynchronous, we're gonna use the model. So the model is bikes, and now we're gonna use find. Okay, it's gonna be find by, okay, I already have it here, find by ID. So you open parentheses, and we're gonna use the request that params that ID. Okay, so we have that, and so if is not if the variable is not there. Okay, so we're gonna do something. So we're gonna throw a res that, let me see, res that status, and it's gonna be a 400. Okay, and also we're gonna throw, let me see, throw new error, like that. Oops, error. So we're gonna throw a new error. So let me see, oops, okay, throw new error, and we can just put in bikes not found. So bikes not found, like that. Okay, and now, okay, so we are looking for the bike. So if there's no bike, so we're gonna throw an error, and if not, we are just gonna await, because we don't have to update anything, we just need to delete. So we're gonna wait, we're gonna go into the schema, I mean to the model bike. So we are using this model bikes, so make sure you're using this uppercase letter, because this is the model. And we are gonna use the find by, okay, find by ID and up. No, it's not gonna be update, but it's gonna be find by ID and delete, like that. So you open parentheses, and we're gonna pass in the request, I mean, yeah, request that params that ID, like that. So we do that, and let me see what else. Yeah, then we have the rest that status, that JSON. Let me see, we are waiting, and yeah, instead of sending this JSON message, so we delete the subject, what is inside of this, yeah, what is inside of the curly braces, and just we are gonna have in the ID. Okay, the ID colon, and it's gonna be again the request that params that ID, like that. Let me see, so request that ID, oops, it has to be inside of the curly braces, like that. Okay, and let me see. Okay, I am already connected, so I have my compass here, and I also have it right here. I'm gonna go to my cluster, and let's see what browser collection, and let me see. Okay, so we have bikes, and now I have one updated object. So let's go to Postman, and let's see, let's send it, and yeah, we have this updated bike. So let's delete this one, so we end up with nothing, and then we can create another one. So just copy the ID, and we're gonna go to another tab, and now we have again the same thing, but after bikes we put a slash and then the number. So let's paste that number, let's send it, and let's see if it works, the delete method. And as you can see, we get in return, we get the ID, and we get this ID that we just copied here. So it has been deleted. And how do you check that it has been deleted? So we go to the get method. So this is the get method, this is the get tab, and just send it. And right now there's not gonna be anything, so let's send it and it's empty. Okay, so right now let's go into the test and it's gonna be empty. This one you can refresh it and it's gonna be empty. Okay, so let's create, let's go into the post. So I have three tabs: the post method, get method, and delete method. So you can, if you want, you can open one for the update method. So let's go into the header, body, and let me see my, okay, my, I don't know, my ninja bike, let's put it like that. And okay, so my ninja bike, and then my Honda, I don't know, yeah, my Honda bike. We have two bikes now. Okay, so we go into the get method, send it, and we're gonna have my ninja bike and my update bike. And let's just open another tab and let's update it. So yeah, let's copy this one, let's go right here, say paste it, and this one is gonna be update, so it's gonna be put method. Let's go right here, and now we have two, yeah, my ninja bike, my Honda bike. Okay, so we have two. And also you can go right here, let me see, well, I'm gonna refresh it like that, and we have my ninja and my Honda bike. Yeah, let's update it. So, and then we're just gonna delete it. So after the bikes you just put a slash, and then we are gonna update, let me see, my Honda bike. So we're gonna update this one. It's gonna be, we're gonna copy this one, we're gonna go right here, let me see if I copy, yeah, like that. Go into body, and we're gonna put in text, and we're gonna put updated Honda bike, like that. Let's send it. Okay, so now if we go into get, this one is not gonna be, this no longer is gonna be my Honda bike, it's gonna be now my updated bike, updated Honda bike. Okay, if we go right here and let's let me see, let me just refresh it. Okay, update Honda bike, and then my ninja bike. So let's just delete both of them. So we're gonna start with this one, we're gonna copy the ID, let me see, we're gonna copy the ID, and we're gonna go to the delete tab. This is the delete method. We're gonna go here after the slash, send it, and yeah, it's working. 200 request successful, the server has responded as required. We have deleted that one. If we go right here, refresh it, we only have one, so we're gonna have, I think, the updated, yeah, my ninja bike. So let's delete this one. Okay, so we can do it, let me see, I can do it from here, copy this one, and we're gonna go into the delete, and now let me see, paste it here, send it. Okay, and now let's go into the get, and yeah, we have nothing here. Okay, it's empty, so we have successfully deleted. So if we go into the cluster, we have nothing, we just have it's empty. Okay, so 0 results. And let me see, just we have nothing here as well. And yeah, as you can see, we have a complete CRUD functionality, so we can create, read, update, and delete. Okay, so we did the delete method this time. As you can see, if we close this one, we have, okay, and the delete method is different from the update, because here we are creating a new variable that is updated bikes, and here we don't need it because we are not updating anything, we're just deleting it. So we don't go creating a variable updated bikes and then await. We just go straightforward await, and then this is the bikes, but this is the model. So if you go into models, you're gonna see that we have in the words, yeah, this is my model bikes. Okay, so we're using that model, and then we're using this method. So bikes, this is the model bikes that, and then find by ID and delete, and we're passing the requested params that ID, and then we just return what we return. Let me see if we go into delete. Yeah, this is what we are getting in return, this ID. As you can see, and to do that, we just need the JSON. So the JSON that we're gonna get inside the parentheses with curly braces is gonna be the ID calling the requested params that ID. Okay, so this is our complete CRUD functionality.